Welcome back to Dijah Decor. In today's video, we're diving into the magic of eclectic holiday decor, where tradition meets creativity and every corner tells a story. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments to join our festive community. Eclectic decor is all about mixing the unexpected, bold colors, contrasting patterns, and unique textures to create a warm and personalized Christmas atmosphere that feels both curated and spontaneous. Begin by choosing a simple base color, like cream, white, or soft gray, to anchor your design. This neutral backdrop allows your eclectic mix of ornaments, fabrics, and accents to shine without overwhelming the space. Eclectic style celebrates contrast. Try pairing emerald green with magenta, or mustard yellow with deep teal. These vibrant mixes breathe new life into classic Christmas themes while keeping things visually exciting. Blend vintage ornaments with sleek modern pieces to add depth and personality. An antique mirror beside a minimalist wreath creates a fascinating contrast that feels warm, layered, and authentic. Combine smooth metallics with rough wood, soft knits, and shiny glass. This interplay of textures adds comfort and visual richness, the secret ingredient of any well-balanced eclectic holiday setup. Mix string lights, candles, and statement lamps to create a cozy and dynamic glow. Eclectic lighting is not about uniformity, it's about building atmosphere through warmth, shadow, and sparkle. Skip the traditional red and gold theme. Try layering ornaments of different shapes and colors, or even add unexpected items like feathers, ribbons, or vintage jewelry for a truly one-of-a-kind Christmas tree. Turn your walls into part of the festive scene. Combine holiday wreaths with framed art, hanging garlands, or eclectic photo collages to make your home feel like a curated holiday gallery. Mix mismatched plates, colorful napkins, and varying candle holders for a creative tablescape. Add natural elements like pine cones, berries, or eucalyptus branches for a charming organic touch. Decorate small nooks with layered throws, patterned pillows, and quirky decor accents. These cozy corners are perfect for relaxing and instantly radiate eclectic holiday warmth. Bring in cultural touches, Moroccan lanterns, Scandinavian patterns, or Asian-inspired ceramics, to reflect the diversity and joy of the season. Eclectic design thrives on personal stories and meaningful details. Don't aim for perfection, embrace the charm of mismatched ornaments and asymmetrical arrangements. Eclectic Christmas decor is all about creative freedom and celebrating what feels joyful to you. Thank you for joining Dijah Decor for today's eclectic holiday decor inspiration. Remember, the best Christmas look is the one that reflects your unique spirit. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share your favorite decorating idea in the comments. Let's make this season beautifully one of a kind.